What is the best way to dress a bed like a pro? We're constantly in a hurry in the morning, so properly making a bed isn't our most significant priority. However, it would definitely make our lives less complicated if we knew the most popular bed makeup hacks, such as a way to style throws, pillows, and other bed accessories. It's a great thing that we've rounded up 10 ideas on how to dress a bed like a pro. Here you'll find a few popular recommendations for making your bed look fashionable and Instagrammable. Take a note on the way to turn your dull bed into a beautiful one, and as always, Simp Home presents you with the following compilation. 10. Layer it up. As time goes by, adding layers is a key to having a stylish bed that looks alluring and cozy. Choose neutrals and comfortable textures or play with patterns and colors to create a few intensity and assessment. Place a blanket or a light cotton blanket over your sheets, followed by your blanket. A quick trick to making a bed is fold your duvet in half and pull the top into thirds so you can display off all your pillows and layers. Sleep underneath the blanket and use the duvet as an accent if winter comes. Meanwhile, in warmer months, place the blanket at the foot of the bed or change it for a lighter one. 9. Play with the pillows. Pillows are not just a place to rest your head and sleep comfortably. In some cases, they can help you style your bed and make it more attractive. Pillows tend to be larger and fill the area closest to the head of the bed well. However, you can stack them for a more up-to-date look too. You can do whatever you like with your accent pillows because there's no exact rules. In the long run, that's what you want to move every night. You may take 3 completely different pillows consisting of 2 pillows that match in size and color, with one smaller in front, and you can also go for one long lumbar. 8. Give your room more colorful bedding. Add some soft color to your bedroom to spice it up a bit. It's not just about splashing a few colors in your bedroom, it's how you use the colors that count. Use this room as your inspiration. A combination of mustard and pink creates an intense scheme that looks anything but boring. Set against a white background to make the bold palette breathe life into a neutral scheme. Adding some greenery can be an additional option to make it more alive. 7. The chunky knit duvet. If you've ever seen chunky knit blankets, you must have known that they're full of large texture, stylish, elegant, and are perfectly attractive in any room. If you wish to keep up with the trend of having a big, thick blanket that adorns your bedroom, this beautiful blanket instantly adds another attraction to an ordinary room. Whether you're looking for an outstanding texture or cloud-like comfort, this knit blanket could be your right choice. Are you interested in this fluffy, warm, chunky knit blanket? Will it be on your to-buy list, or will you skip the trend? 6. The white room with ivory bedding. For those looking for timeless bedding that will never go out of style, nothing beats the look and feel of crisp white bedding, since it will stay minimalist for coming years. White bedding may require you to wash more often, thus finding the best quality threads could be essential. Low-quality bedding, however, will fade faster than you think. Make sure your white linens look calm and alluring instead of flashy and minimalist by focusing on softness and luxury. Mixing white and ivory is perfect to avoid an uneven look. Feel free to mix the sets and add pillowcases with luxurious trims or even striped extras. Pay attention to your layers and textures. To get a rich finishing touch, a neutral cashmere blanket, a white blanket stacked at the foot of the bed is a great idea. 5. Choose a striped design. Stripes can promote a sense of play and even a nautical feel instantly. Striped bedding can make your bedroom appear bigger than it really is, since it will add extra depth and elongate lines to the room. Since it is a classic, even traditional, the 2022 striped bedding ideas are gender neutral. It makes them perfect for couples, children's bedrooms, and anyone else in the home. Just make sure you stick with eye-catching color combinations so you won't get bored too quickly. 4. Map out a color scheme. When it comes to straightforward bedding ideas that are sure to add visual interest to your bedroom, try to create an eye-catching mix of layered patterns that will also keep your eye moving. To get the best look, try to use 3 or 4 different bed color schemes that match the solid inserts, such as bedspreads with the same color for consistency. If you wish to have multiple layers or add adjustable warmth, add blankets of different colors. Lay your blanket on top with the blanket flat or lowered over it. Or fold your blanket on the side of the bed. Show the colors, patterns, and textures of your blankets. 3. Consider vintage floral accessories. Do you want to arrange a space without replacing your old furniture? Instead of revisiting the marketplace and buying expensive things, you could just buy a new bedspread. Floral bedding ideas might recall the 80s era. However, when you combine it with a modern look, you can't go wrong. Think about printed floral bedding ideas with less crowded patterns that come in monochromatic colors for a modern look. Make your impression and convey a slight of romance and warmth to the space. 2. Two-tone beddings. If you're crazy about modern bedding, today's look is less about uniformity than it was in the past. Therefore, if a mix of prints and patterns isn't good for you, choose bold contrast to help define your bedroom better. It can be a simple emerald green and white mix, or you can opt for a slightly more subtle pastel shades paired with one another. This airy bedroom is proof that experimenting with different hues, especially with this emerald green, is a great choice. The shiny texture of the fabric, whether it's with a plush blanket or a throw folded along the bed, prevents the room from feeling sterile. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. And lastly, number 1, a ruffled bedding shabby chic idea. Even if you decide on a solid color bedding idea, you can still maintain the design and earn the luxurious feeling by introducing texture through ruffled bedspreads, fringe, or textured covers. Best of all, luxury bedding ideas don't have to cost you a fortune, as you'll easily get affordable ruffled blankets from anywhere. Just ensure it's washable and immune to everyday wear and tear. Take one of these 10 ideas on how to dress a bed like a pro that speaks to you the most. The one that makes it feel like a dreamy area to spend the time would be your greatest bet. So which bedroom styling ideas would you choose to redecorate your room? Oh, and by the way, in simphome.com, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that SimpHome has to offer. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video if you truly enjoy it, comment it, or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching.